Hello, my name is Mr. Super L. Today it's a let's do, and already the very is fireworks. A very fireworks. And now we're going to the first one. A very interesting giving. Fireworks. The July 4th. July 4th. And in 2019. 2019. Whoa, it's so the fireworks. Look in the moon. It's so night, the sky. It's so genius. I just saw a very good the fireworks. You know how you're very in the fireworks? Did you see that the fireworks? You never, I guess. Never. Oh no, you're in night. A very night. It's just giving no fireworks. Today is fireworks. Today is fireworks. Very July 4th. A very relief. That guy is the sky. It's a very night. And it is so light. It's very giving. You know it very. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. So please subscribers, Mr. Super L, click like. And now it is, so please thumbs up in the description and the down below and hit the subscribe. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. Subscribers, see you next time. Bye.